Morning student, this is lecture number 4, unit number 1, solid state. We have seen in last lecture packing efficiency. In that packing efficiency, we have seen the simple cubic lattice, body center cubic lattice and face center cubic lattice. Now in this lecture we will see crystal defect or imperfection. So crystal defect or imperfection. The real natural occurring crystalline substance do not have perfect crystal structure. They have some disorder of irregulation in the stacking of atom. Such irregularities in the arrangement of constituent particle of a solid crystal are called defects or imperfections. Ideal crystal with no imperfection are possible only at the absolute zero of temperature. Above this temperature, no crystalline material are 100% pure. There are three types of defect: point defect, line defect and plane defect. First one, we will study only the point defect in this chapter. Point defect. Point defect are where an atom is missing or is in an irregular place in the lattice structure is called the point defect. There are three major classes of point defect. First one, stoichiometric point defect, impurity defect and non-stoichiometric point defect. First one, we will see stoichiometric point defect. Chemical formula of a compound show fixed ratio of number of atom or number of cation and anion. This fixed ratio is the stoichiometric of the compound. There are four types of stoichiometric point defect. First one, vacancy defect, self-interstitial, Scotty defect and Frankel defect. First one, vacancy defect. During crystallization of a solid, a particle is missing from its regular site in the crystal lattice. The missing particle creates a vacancy in lattice structure. The vacancy defect can also be developed when the substance is heated. We will see in this figure there is the no atom. This is the vacancy. Second, self-interstitial defect in elemental solid. The interstitial site in a crystal are the space or voids in between the particle at lattice points. When some particle of a crystalline elemental solid occupy interstitial site in the crystal structure, it is called self-interstitial defect. These defects occur in the following two ways. Firstly, an extra particle occupies an empty interstitial space in the crystal structure. This extra particle is same as those already present at the lattice point. In that secondly, in the element solid, a particle gets shifted from its original lattice point and occupies an interstitial space in the crystal. We will see that figure. We will see that this space is the vacancy, and in that figure the atom are enter into the interstitial space. Third one, Schottky defect. In an ionic solid, equal number of cation and anion are missing from their regular position in the crystal lattice, creating vacancies. It means that a vacancy created by a loss of cation is always accompanied by a vacancy formed by a loss of anion. We will see that this is the figure. In that cation there are anion vacancy, and in that anion there is the cation vacancy. Fourth one, Frankel defect. Frankel defect arises when anion of an ionic compound is missing from its regular lattice site and occupies interstitial position between lattice point. The cation are usually smaller than anion. It is easier for the smaller cation to accommodate the interstitial space. It is important to note that the smaller cation is displaced from its normal site to an interstitial space. Frankel defect can be regarded as a combination of vacancy defect and interstitial defect. We will see that in this figure. This is the vacancy of cation. This one is the cation interstitial site, means that in anion there is the cation, in that anion there is cation is present, enter in the anion site, interstitial site. Second one, impurity defect. Impurity defect arise when foreign atom, that is atom different from the host atom, are present in the crystal lattice. There are two kinds of impurities defect. First one, substitutional impurity defect, and second one, interstitial impurity defect. Substitutional impurity defect. The foreign atom are found at the lattice site in place of host atoms. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice site by impurity atom. For example, brass is an alloy of Cu and Zn. Cu means copper and Zn means zinc. In brass host, Cu atom are replaced by impurity of Zn atom. We will see that in this figure. This one is the copper and this one is the zinc. Second, interstitial impurity defect. The impurity atoms occupy interstitial space of lattice structure. For example, in steel, Fe atom occupy normal lattice site. The carbon atom are present at interstitial space as shown in figure. We will see that the figure of stainless steel. These are the iron and in that the carbon atom are present. Stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric defect arise when the ratio of number of atom of one kind to that of other kind, or the ratio of number of cation to anion becomes different. There are one types of non-stoichiometric defect. Metal deficiency defect. This defect is possible only in compound of metal that shows variable oxidation state. Positive metal ion are missing from their original lattice site. The extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cation of the same metal with higher oxidation state than that of missing cation. For example, NiO. This one we will see that in figure. These are Ni and oxygen conductors, solid having electrical conductivity in the range of 10⁴ to the 10⁷ meter per ohm are called conductor. Metal and electrolytes are example of electrical conductor. Metals conduct electricity by movement of electron, while electrolyte conduct electricity by movement of ions. Second, insulator. Solids having low electrical conductivity in the range 10⁻⁻ to 10⁻⁻10 meter per ohm are called insulator. Most non-metal and molecular solid belong to this category. Last one, semiconductor, solid having electrical conductivity in the range 10 raised to 6 to the 10 raised to minus 6 to 10 raised to 4 meter per ohm are called semiconductor. This range is intermediate between the conductor and insulator.